Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the strategic perspective of training and development. This topic is important because organizations today no longer view training as a simple activity, but as a strategic investment that contributes to long-term success. Training and development are now closely aligned with organizational goals to ensure that employees have the competencies required to achieve business objectives and sustain competitiveness. Traditionally, training was used mainly to improve employees' current job performance. However, in modern organizations, training is viewed as a strategic tool that supports long-term organizational success. The strategic perspective emphasizes aligning employee learning with the organization's mission, vision, and strategic goals. This ensures that training contributes directly to organizational effectiveness and sustainability. Strategic training and development refers to designing and implementing training programs that directly support the organization's strategic direction. In other words, training is not conducted randomly. Instead, it is carefully planned to ensure that employees develop the knowledge, skills, and abilities required to achieve organizational goals. This approach also enables organizations to respond effectively to environmental changes such as technological advancements and global competition. There are several important characteristics of strategic training and development. First, alignment with organizational strategy. Training programs are designed based on strategic priorities such as innovation, productivity, or customer service improvement. Second, long-term human capital development. Training focuses not only on current performance but also on preparing employees for future roles through leadership and career development. Third, integration with HR practices. Training is linked with recruitment, performance management, and succession planning to ensure systematic employee development. Fourth, support for organizational change. Strategic training helps employees adapt to changes such as new technologies, restructuring, and globalization. Fifth, continuous learning and knowledge management. Organizations promote a learning culture where employees continuously develop their skills and share knowledge. Organizations typically follow a structured process to implement strategic training. First, identify strategic goals and competency requirements. Second, conduct training needs analysis to identify skill gaps. Third, design training programs aligned with organizational strategy. Fourth, implement training using appropriate learning methods such as workshops or e-learning. Finally, evaluate training outcomes to measure effectiveness and organizational impact. This process ensures that training contributes directly to performance and competitive advantage. Adopting a strategic perspective offers several important benefits. It improves employee productivity and performance. It enhances organizational adaptability to change. It supports leadership and talent development. It increases employee motivation and engagement. And most importantly, it creates sustainable competitive advantage through skilled human capital. Research shows that organizations investing strategically in employee development achieve better performance and innovation outcomes. In conclusion, the strategic perspective of training and development emphasizes aligning learning initiatives with organizational strategy. By integrating training with business goals, organizations can develop employee competencies, strengthen organizational capabilities, and achieve long-term success in a dynamic environment. Understanding this perspective is essential because it highlights the importance of investing in people as a key driver of organizational competitiveness. Thank you.